Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you how to split screen and multitask on iPad. Over here you can see that I've got the Safari browser app open, and on the same screen I've got the Notes pad open. So I'm going to show you how you can easily do the same on your iPad. Okay, so first of all, make sure that your iPad is positioned horizontally like this and not vertically, because if you have it positioned vertically, the split screen function is not going to work. So once your iPad is positioned horizontally like this, make sure that both of the apps with which you want to do split screen are here in your bottom navigation bar. So as an example, if I want to have a split screen with Safari and with my Notes app, I have to make sure that both of them are here in this bar. If I wanted to use the split screen functionality with, let's say, my Gmail app, I would have to drag it like this down to this bottom bar, and this way I would be able to work with split screen functionality with the Gmail app as well. So make sure that both your apps are in this bar. Next, open the first application which you would like to have in your split screen. So for example, it can be the Safari app like this, and then you need to bring up this bar again, and to get it to appear, slowly swipe like this from the bottom of the screen up, and this way you'll get the bar to appear. Now don't swipe up too fast, because then you will just close this application. So if this happens, just reopen it again and swipe slowly from the bottom of the screen up and not too fast like this. This way you'll get this bottom bar to appear. Once this is done, you're ready to proceed with doing the split screen. So if I want to use my Notes app, I just need to click it and hold it until the menu disappears like this. I'm going to click and hold. See, now the menu appears and now the menu disappears. Now this is ready for me to drag. When I start dragging it over to this side, to the side of the screen, so I'm not going to drop it over here, I'm going to drag it to the side of the screen like this. And once the Safari app moves to the left and makes this section of the screen available, this is when I'm going to let go of the Notes app, and it's going to create a split screen for me like this. So now I've got Safari on my left, and now I've got the Notes app on my right. So now if I want to go back to Notes and create a new note like this, let's say I want to take notes about what is happening in the Safari app, I'm just going to hide the keyboard here. I can enter any search I want. So for example, if I want a photo of the sunrise from my Safari app, I'm going to click sunrise and then go into search for images. I can adjust the width of these windows, and to do that I need to click here at the top and then drag this down, and this will enter the edit mode, and then I can drag this to change the width. If you ever run into trouble and you can't click and drag this for any reason, then just make sure to click here at the bottom, hold this for a moment, and once this starts moving, let it go again, and this should enable the drag functionality for you. Okay, so now that we've found our picture that perhaps I want to drop into my notes, I can then manipulate different bits of information and images between the two applications. So if I now click and hold this like this, I will be able to drag it. So now see, I can drag this over into my notepad. And this is how you work with the split screen functionality. Now, if you close these applications like this, then anytime you open any of them again, for example, if you open the Safari app, you will actually see that it's paired with the Notes app. They will continue opening together for as long as you want. And to stop this from happening, so to disconnect them from each other, you need to do the following. So try to click here and drag, and then drag this all the way to the end, and like this it is now closed and the two apps are disconnected. So now your Safari app is separate to your Notes app. So let's do this again. Okay, so we've got the Safari app here and the Notes app is not happening. So if you wanted to now use another app with the Safari app, you can now do this by just doing the exact same thing as we did before. So we click, hold, wait until the menu disappears, then drag it to the side of the screen like this, and then let go. Okay, my battery warning came up, so let's just do this again. So we slowly do this and wait until the menu disappears, and then drag it to the right hand side of the screen like this. And after it's in this black area, I'm going to drop it And now we've got our two apps in the split screen mode once again. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, I'd super appreciate it if you can hit like just below this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel just below this video as well. My name is Greg Kononenko, and I'll see you in the next video.